Hello. So here is a GM truck manifold for a LS motor V8. So if you have one like I do, you think the horns on it are pretty ugly. And so this is what I've done to not make it too hard, but like make it look better. So I stayed away from these things, the Celtic crosses. I think those get holes. It's safe to cut this off. This doesn't have a hole in it. Maybe a little more wire wheeling, some sanding will make it look nicer. The main thing I use that really makes it nice is this DeWalt. I think they call it a multi-tool. Let's see if there's a part number on this or not. DCS354. It's really cool. If you have any other DeWalt tools and you don't have this yet, I'm kind of a finished carpenter. This is great for cutting base moldings, but really works good on this too. You're able to cut things without it vibrating too much, not like a Sawzall. But anyway, that's my tip on that. So again, if you don't want any holes in it that are hard to patch, this is kind of what I've done, and it'll look a lot nicer when I put it on my Chevelle. Thank you.